Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by unlocking the iPhone and opening settings, then tap Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode when prompted. Once inside, look for the section labeled Allow Access when locked. This controls lock screen access to Today View and Notification Center. You want to remove Quick Access, so toggle off Today View and Notification Center. Doing that hides Notification Center from the lock screen immediately and keeps notifications from being pulled down without unlocking. Next, prevent Notification Center from appearing while you use apps or on the home screen. Go to Settings right arrow Control Center and turn off access within apps to stop Control Center gestures from interfering. If you need a stricter, temporary block, use Accessibility right arrow Guided Access and start a session. That locks gestures, including pull-downs. For granular control, open Settings right arrow Notifications, pick an app and limit banners, lock screen display, or previews. These steps reduce exposure to Notification Center and tailor what appears when you must unlock. Finally, verify your changes. Reopen Face ID and Passcode to confirm Today View and Notification Center are off, and check Control Center's access within apps is disabled. Once done, lock and test the pull-down. It should be blocked. If Notification Center still appears, restart the iPhone, install any iOS update, and recheck passcode settings. Make sure you aren't in guided access accidentally. If problems persist, use screen time restrictions or contact Apple support. Those steps usually resolve permission or software glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.